smart parking system of Zigui Country Transportation Bureau in Yichang, located between the office building of the Transportation Bureau and Quyuan East Road, is invested, constructed, and operated by Zigui Zixing State-owned Capital Investment and Development Company Limited as the first fully intelligent parking lot in Zigui County, under the conditions of making full use of the site, as well as making sure of the reasonable parking efficiency and smooth traffic when accessed from the parking lot. The smart parking system is divided into two sets, which are vertical arranged with floor space 1,100 square meters. The 6 floors traction drive PCS cabinet type vertical lifting parking system, with a total of 103 parking spaces, is on the left side of the building, which is equipped with 2 drive system and 2 entrances, exits. The 6 floors vertical horizontal parking system, with a total of 62 parking spaces, is opposite the office building, which is equipped with 2 sets of control system. All the ground floor parking spaces can be used as entrances, exits. The 2 smart parking systems are representatives of high-end configuration, advanced driving, and intelligent parking lot. Convenient access method. When the driver is parking, the loop detection in front of the door automatically senses, then the door opens. The driver only needs to drive the car into the entrance and exit, park onto the loading plate, pull the handbrake when get out of the car, fold up the mirrors, and push the storage button. The storage movement is completely finished by intelligent carrier without any other human operations. When picking up the car, driver scans the code on the cell phone and input the plate number. Then the car will be automatically moved to the entrance and exit, and the driver drives the car out. Humanized access experience. The width of the entrance exit is generally designed to be about 3 meters. Spacious entrance exit makes the drivers, especially the novice drivers, no longer feared and oppressed by accessing from the mechanical garage. A large mirror is set in front of the entrance, from where drivers can watch out the tire's position in order to ensure the accuracy of the parking position. Advanced drive type. The smart parking system adopts with traction drive and wire rope lifting, which is non-forced drive. The rated lifting load is 55% of the car weight, about 1.3 ton, and the wire rope is light in dead weight, and the energy loss is small compared to the large lifting load and chain weight of motor chains forced driven. The motor traction plus wire rope has high transmission efficiency, and lifting speed can reach 90 meters per minute. At the same lifting speed, using motor with lower rated power also helps in saving energy and protecting environment. Perfect security measure. The parking system automatically detects the length, width, and height of the car and whether there is a living body, to make sure that only suitable cars can be parked in the parking system, and further ensure the safety of cars and human. The motor traction plus wire rope drive mode is non-forced drive. When over-travel situation occurs, the traction force is not efficient so that the wire rope and the traction sheath slip, so it can prevent the wire rope from being broken, which achieves higher safety. Efficient and stable operation. Each entrance and exit supports the sequential reservation access of 10 cars. During peak hours, drivers can use the mobile app to make an appointment to pick up in advance and reduce waiting time. Transportation movement integrates with lifting, sliding, and turning at the same time, which greatly saves mechanical running time and improves access efficiency. The system adopts variable frequency speed control. The traction motor is with lower rated power and high power reserve ability. So, variable frequency speed control makes the system become more stable, more reliable, and faster in acceleration and deceleration time. Smart Parking System of Transportation Bureau, the first smart parking system in Zigui County, provides efficient, safe, and convenient parking experience, which changes the driver's thinking about smart parking system and makes drivers stop resisting it. When building the urban smart parking management platform, more and more smart parking garages, and providing strong data support for urban management, social governance, and government decision-making. Create the new urban parking space with technology. Create high-quality Dayang products with responsibility. Dayang Parking is willing to join hands with you to create a better future.